So we're going to be showing you how to use a heat press.
What's it do?
You can put vinyl onto shirts to make cool shirts.
Like what? Like that?
There's nothing on this shirt.
You're right. So how do you fix that?
You can just heat press it.
Okay, give me your shirt.
Wait, what?
Okay. Go. Did I fix it?
No.
How do you open it?
You push this. So basically you have to get an adult, of course, to open that. There you go. Okay. Now, first, spread the shirt out like this, where you want to put the thing. Next, you have to get what you want to put on the shirt.
Like what?
Like a decal. No.
So can I just use any kind of vinyl for that? Is that the right kind?
I think.
What,
Maybe.
do you know what it's called?
No. Orica?
Oracal? Maybe. Is it supposed to be like adhesive vinyl?
Yeah.
No, I think that's the kind that sticks on the walls. What's the kind that transfers with, what is that? Is that heat?
Yeah.
What kind do I have to use?
Adhesive.
Adhesive?
Yes.
No, I think it's heat transfer.
Oh.
So how do we know if this is heat transfer?
How do we know it's transfer heat?
It has a plastic thing, and the sticker paper, it has paper on the back.
I think there is. So I guess you can just put it on there.
So what's the difference between adhesive and heat transfer?
This part, heat transfer has a backing, while adhesive doesn't.
What does adhesive have?
Adhesive just has a sticky back.
Yeah, what does that have?
Oh my god. We put the heat press on the floor because we jacked up the table. It's been a couple of minutes.
What happened here?
That's gonna be in the next video.
So that's the decal we're gonna put on there? The decals?
Yes. So first we put this onto this, of course. Next, you have to heat up this.
What settings do we use?
Teflon 305
So if we're not using Teflon, what do we do?
to 285 degrees.
How long is this gonna take to heat up, Micah?
I don't know.
What should we do to make this go faster?
Time lapse.
Time lapse? So what's the purpose of Teflon anyways?
I think it protects the vinyl from being like wrecked.
That's probably right.
Yeah.
How long has it been?
It's been about 7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Well, it says 298. You think that's close enough, Micah?
Do you think we should wait a little longer?
Nah, let's just go for it. Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
So, should an adult do this?
Definitely. Well. Yeah, it does it itself.
Yeah, it counts down. Look.
Done. Go. Now don't touch the shirt.
What do we do?
We have to wait for it.
To do what? Is it gonna jump out at us?
No. I can pull it off now. Ready?
Okay, go ahead.
It worked. It worked.
All right, why don't you put your new shirt on?
Turn it off because it takes a bunch of electricity. It's fine.
What do you think maybe you should have done differently?
Just put one big one.
What about where it's located?
I like that. Oh, hi, Mom.
Hi. Oh, you put both of them on one shirt.
Well, yeah.
Very cool. I like it.
We didn't even have your help.
Is this Vinyl Kid merch right here?
Yes.
All right, is this for sale now?
Yeah.
So I can get one just like it?
Yes.
How much are they?
$5?
That's kind of cheap. Can't really afford to ship shirts for $5.
Okay. 10?
Deal.
$10?
$10, you got it.
Okay.